Hello dear viewers, welcome to my new blogs. Today I am going to show you how to get a taxi by MFFEV within 5 minutes. So drop the extra intro, let's move forward. At first you need to make sure about download the MFFEV and create an account by your own phone number. The second step about open the MFFEV. Then you will get a new interface and there have a option about searching. So click on the search button. Then you have to write down your keywords. Let me show you an example. When you have complete your searching, then there will show a multi option. So you need to make sure about your accurate location. Then you can click on the exact location. When you have done your search location, then you will get new interface about select the price and quantity of person. When you will be make sure about your rent, then you will click on the blue button. The final round you will get a confirmation about taxi number. Then the taxi driver will arrive you within 5 minutes. So this is the full instruction about get a taxi by online. Thanks for your watching. See you next video. Bye bye.